Google Meet's Reactions and Raise Your Hand feature lets participants interact without interrupting. We'll show you how to use these tools and how moderators can manage the raised hands queue. To raise your hand, click the hand icon at the bottom of the screen. A hand icon will appear on your display for everyone on the call to see. To lower your hand, click the hand icon again. If you're a meeting moderator, you'll be notified when someone raises their hand. To see who is raising their hands, open the People panel. You will notice the raised hands are listed in the order they were raised. To lower a user's hand, click the hand icon next to their name. To lower all hands at once, click Lower All. To interact with other participants or hosts during a meeting through emoji reactions, click the Send a Reaction icon. Select the reaction you want to send. The reaction will briefly appear on your screen for others to see. To change the skin tone of your reactions, to the right of the emojis, click the Skin Tone Picker. Your selection will be saved for future meetings. To close the Reactions menu, click the Send a Reaction icon again. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.